Question number 22 of the PhilNITS FE morning portion of the exam. In this question, we are being asked, which of the following can change the deadlock state of the transaction back to the normal state? Okay, I was able to choose the correct answer, which is letter C, and I think that this question shouldn't be too difficult. And the reason why I'm saying that is because if you look at the other choices, what we get would be something like commit, drop, and I think these are vocabulary that if you've used the database, the SQL, for example, to work with databases, then you would have likely encountered these words already. And when we say commit, I think that in this case, it would mean that we did some change, then we are applying those changes. And then if we are talking about drop, I think an example, we dropping a database. It's something that maybe we don't want to update anymore, and we're gonna get rid of it. And if we are having this problem about deadlock, then it's unlikely that the goal is to drop the database, nor to commit to the database when we are in this deadlock state. So these two are not going to be the correct answer. Now, if we are left with C or D, then roll forward doesn't seem to make much sense because what we want is to return, to go back to the normal state, and therefore rollback would be the likely answer. Also, if you have maybe used any of the Windows operating systems and you encountered a problem after an update, I think you would have encountered this word as well, where you want to go back to the state when the operating system was still working well. And usually it could be because you did some kind of software installation or an update that created a problem. And the way to solve it would be to roll back, to go back to a prior state and get the computer working again. So again, we are in a state that is a deadlock and we need to go back to the normal state, and the correct answer for this question is letter C, and letter C says that we do our rollback to resolve the problem of deadlock and to go back to the normal state.